Lord Mayor Elias Lukwago has blamed President Museveni for the recent spate of violence witnessed in Kawempe North by-election campaigns. Addressing the media today, Lukwago, the president of People's Front for Freedom, said it is Museveni who had deployed security forces like JAT to terrorize the people and scare away the opposition.
If you do not subscribe to the ruling party, which is now a state party, and you are a candidate, it's a known fact that you are running against the state machinery. You are not competing against the NRM candidate. You are competing against the entire state machinery together with its coercive force apparatus. So now, they are in full swing. All guns are blazing. Mr. Museveni and his team in Kawempe, they are determined at all costs to subvert the will of the people, defeat the provisions of the Constitution, which talk about a credible, free and fair election.
The Kawempe North by-election will be held on March 13th this year. The National Unity Platform candidate Elias Nalukola Luyimbazi appears favoured to win the seat which fell vacant after the death of Mohamed Segirinya. Lukwago said brutality and violence meted so far cannot ensure that there will be a free and fair election.
We are, as I was saying, we are appalled by the situation going on right now. The situation is dire. And we are baffled that all the state agencies are denying responsibility for what is happening. The police wash their hands out of it. Indeed, they are captives. And the other day, General Moz was threatening even to arrest the director CID Magambo. Said, you'll be arrested. They are captives. The Electoral Commission is equally helpless.
He said many opposition supporters have been arrested and brutalized by security for no reason. He urged the Parliament to step in and investigate this violence.
Parliament, the matter was brought on the floor yesterday. And the Speaker was equally lamenting, the Deputy Speaker. Said maybe this is sponsored by people who hate government. You can imagine. Now who is going to come to the rescue of the people if all the institutions of state are just lamenting? The Electoral Commission, helpless. Parliament, lamenting. The police, they are saying, oh, the closest they came to give a hint on what is happening, they said, well, we are investigating. Can you imagine? And the people marauding around are well known. They have the banner of JAT.
He said PFF did not have a flag bearer in this election and those purporting to be representing the political grouping were liars.
We want to be categorical on this, that we were constrained to participate as a formation in that election, as a registered political party, because we are still in the transition. And therefore, we could not legally and officially sponsor any candidate in that election. And we want to be clear.
Regarding Dr. Chiza Besigye, Lukwago expressed dismay over the delay in handling his case and that of his co-accused Alhaji Obedi Lutale.
We are wondering now, where is justice? So, as we stand today, we have no judge to handle that file. It has not been allocated to any judge. All our efforts have been in vain. We have written letters, and even today we are writing another one. Unfortunately, we are yet to get a positive response. So our call to the judiciary, please be firm, uphold the oath that you took to adjudicate on all matters, to dispense justice.
He said Besigye's health condition had significantly improved and hoped that the colonel would soon be given bail.
So that's the situation he's in. The last time he appeared in Nakawa, he was in a wheelchair. So you can imagine a person who was wheeled back to Luzira, up to now, not being granted bail. Very, very unfortunate. We are going back to court for mention on Friday. That is this week, Friday this week, on the 7th. And we don't expect much because it's just mention. Just for court to ask how far they have gone with the investigations, because you recall the last time we appeared, when Dr. Besigye and Obed Lutale were formally charged, they indicated they were still continuing with the investigation. So,
William Muranga, Beg Television.